Hey everyone, so it's been a long time since I've posted any videos. I did record quite a few, but my phone saved them in some weird format and I still haven't been able to convert them to a format where I can upload them to YouTube. So I decided I'd make a couple new ones in a format that I can, so I can share what's going on with you guys. So this is the status of the we're in the middle of starting to gyprock and plaster it all, but we've got our big garage bay door open. The wall for the kitchenette's done. There's going to be a door there. We've got our window here. We've got another window here. The furnace room and the AC and everything's going to be there. And then we're just going to run ducting along the top of the ceiling. We've got another window here. Got my tool chest all taped up. And then of course we got the good old label printer here, which we're printing some rush order labels tonight for another company. So in the back there, a door has been partially installed. We just have to put the window in and finish the gyprock there. But yeah, she's coming along really well, and hopefully in another week or two we'll have it all finished and ready for paint. Stay tuned, and if you like what I'm doing, give me a thumbs up.